Hi friends, in your system CPU usage, if it is higher, I will show you how to solve this. For this, I will show you this is my higher end machine. Because of this, some of the settings is not showing in this system. For example, I will show you some of the settings has to be done. First, you go to the run. Here you need to type device management.msc. Here you need to find the high precision event timer. In this laptop there is no high precision event timer in this laptop. Here you will be getting high precision event timer. For example, if it is high precision event timer option is there, you need to disable this. And I will show you the next step. Go to the control. You need to type here control option, control panel. Open this control panel. Here you need to find the power options. In the power options, change plan settings and then select the change advanced power settings. In this power options, you will get one option there called adjust to high performance. In my laptop there is no option is there. There is no adjust to high performance option. In your laptop it will be there, adjust to high performance. Then select this option and click apply and then OK. After you restart your machine, then your CPU usage will be lesser than earlier. Okay, thank you.